What's up? My name's Clayton. This is my 1993 Mazda FD RX7 with a Viper V10. And today we're just going to take a look at everything I did to get it to this point. And yeah, I mean, let's dive right in. So we went with a wide body kit on this. How wide? 25 mil. How wide in the back? Also 25 mil. And then this is Tech 2 Motorsports carbon fiber hood. This is just pure carbon, but I didn't want a carbon hood, so I painted it because I'm a yeah. And then we got a whole bunch of carbon fiber. So we've got some carbon fiber pieces up here. Carbon fiber. It makes the car go fast. Also, we have more carbon fiber here, but that's carbon fiber. We have more carbon fiber. That's so that I can see all the Mustangs behind me as I'm ripping past them. And then we have more carbon fiber here. These have no purpose, but they make the car look fast. This is not carbon fiber. These are usually carbon fiber, but I ran out of money, so these are like a cheap eBay knockoff. But hey, it looks all right. 99 spec wing. We have the feed, rear vortex generators, and whatever these are called. Makes the car fast. This is what we're here for. And then to go with this wide body kit, we went with these bad boys. These are Advan GTs. They're 18 by 12s, which is crazy on an FD. These are wrapped in some 315 Falcon tires, but we'll show you the engine because I know that's what you guys want to see. Okay, we made it. We're in. So, I mean, here it is. This is probably what you all are like, whoa, holy crap, that's a Viper swapped RX7. Yeah, it is. It's a 2006 Viper V10, 8.3 liter with the matching Dodge T56 6-speed transmission. Here's your next question. Is it an easy swap? Can I do this? No, don't. Don't ask me how I did it. I just did it. It was hard. But seriously, for those of you who want to know, custom transmission tunnel, custom firewall, custom oil pan, custom pickup, custom front subframe, custom rear subframe, custom steering arm thingamajiggy, custom radiator, custom fan shroud, custom intake. Everything's custom, man. It took a lot of time. So much custom. So I haven't driven it yet. This has been a 4.5 year journey. It's almost done now. I've putzed around a little bit, but it makes 500 horsepower, 500 torque, a little bit more, but I'm being humble. It's fast as boys. Fast as Yeah, these lights are really fancy. I love them. I'm going to turn them on for you. Okay, they're interrupting us over the PA system, but we're going to ignore them because we don't stop for anyone. Hear these lights. I love these lights. Look at these. Even more, look at this. Look at that. I'm in traffic, turning left in style. Also, wow. Do the high beams work? Oh yeah, they do. Again, diffused LEDs and then sequential LEDs. I'm just about that life. That's what I'm here for. Interior. The whole purpose of this car was to go OEM plus. Hey, what if Mazda designed an interior that didn't look like ass? So we took out the light tan carpet and got custom carpet made, darker brown. We went with brown stitching on black leather. It's a good look. Their seats. We also went with a Nardi steering wheel out of an NB Miata. Again, the factory steering wheel looks like it came out of the Titanic, so we just switched it up a little bit, made it a bit more stylish. Custom gauges, custom everything. You know what we talked about. So much custom. Personally, I'm a big fan of wires. I put a lot of wires in this car, and I'm going to show you the wires. And you're like, I don't care about wires, but you will. You're going to see these wires and be like, holy shit. I'm just fingering my trunk. Give me a second. I've got switches. I can turn it off. I can turn the computer off. I can take out relays. That's it, though. That's all I have to talk about the wires. I spend a lot of time there, and I want to tell you about it. That's it. Bye.